Welcome to this first video, a new illustration and education channel in financial awareness. Today we'll explore the power of compounding. It's the simple idea that small steps can lead to big results. Over the next few minutes, you'll see how steady investing builds momentum and why patience is the secret ingredient. Think of a snowball. Starting small. As it rolls, it gathers more and grows. Money works the same way. Each step builds on the last. Over time, the total grows faster. That's compounding, small steps, building, turning into something big. Here we see compounding in action. People invest at different rates, depending on their circumstances. This illustration shows that investing £500 each month, at an 8% annual compounding rate, builds steadily over time. After 5 years, that £500 a month compounds to £39,000. After 10 years, it has grown to £103,000. After 20 years, that £500 per month, consistently, £383,000. And after 30 years, more than £1.1 million. Small monthly steps, plus time, create extraordinary results. Compounding is sensitive. Start earlier, and you give your money more years to grow. Wait 10 years to begin, and the final total can be cut in half. Earn a higher rate, even just a few % more each year, and the curve steepens dramatically. Stay consistent, because skipping contributions breaks momentum and slows the growth. Time, rate, and discipline, each one matters. Change any of them, and the outcome shifts in a big way. Before we go further, it's important to pause. Investing is powerful, but it is never risk-free. The examples you've seen are illustrations, based on steady contributions and an assumed growth rate. They show what compounding can achieve, but they are not guarantees. Markets can rise, and they can fall. Returns may be higher, or lower, than the figures shown. Past performance does not predict future results. Consistency and patience improve your chances, yet outcomes will always vary. That's why every investor must make decisions with awareness, and only commit money they can afford to invest for the long term. That's the power of compounding. But compounding is just the beginning. In the next video, we'll explore ETFs, what they are made up of, and how they make investing simple, affordable, and diversified.